You want to do the recording for Daddy?
My hands are sticky.
Oh, you better wash it.
There is no.
No, the water. What are you scared?
What?
I have to go like up and down.
Yeah. Good job, Logan.
Fill it in some. Alright.
Mm-hmm. Hold on, I'm gonna get a line running. But go wash your hand.
It's a lot of bubbles.
Jordan, don't go in there. It's dirty.
No. You don't need to touch it. Oh, why don't you try and grab it? Put it next to that.
I love why you keep throwing back and forth for. Here, you want to do it?
I can't hold it.
Okay.
You doing that?
I'm recording it.
Dad, the bug going to get it.
What?
The bug going to get her phone dirty.
No, it's okay. It won't get Daddy's phone dirty. There you go. Now Dad can fish and be in the pictures too.
I fish. I want fish. I want to fish with you.
Okay, with hey, did somebody brought the other piece?
What? No.
It's right there on the floor.
Where?
Oh, that's not the right one.
Okay.
Where's the bait? I need some bait.
Adoy. You know,
Kind of like that.
I'm not gonna do the bait for you either.
No, I'm talking about this other piece. We're gonna
Oh
have to-
no, it's right back at the car.
Look at this broken one.
You gotta put it
Me,
No. Don't touch.
What? I got one.
Want bait?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not getting it.
There ain't no bait.
How about there?
You forgot? Oh my god.
Look,
Yeah, I got it all.
no, it's missing a piece. So is this good or bad? Oh no, it's bad. They don't have a line. What happened, Jordan?
Is there a line in there?
Yeah, right here.
No, there's a line.
Don't worry, we're gonna.
Just have to pull
We're
it.
gonna.
But which one's the bad one?
No.
The blue
No.
one.
That one's bad? Okay, we'll give this to that one. We give this whole rail to it. Let's take the rail off of this one. You've got the other piece at home.
The water is not clear.
No, this is clear. Yeah. You want to see dirty water? If you can't see the rock on the bottom, it's dirty, but you see the
I
rock.
found this one.
Yeah, be careful.
I found a worm.
Stay right here, okay?
Ew, molded
I'm
one.
gonna catch a carp, Mom. Stay right here.
To what?
No, this is a good one. This line moves. We'll use this one.
Cop?
Carp.
That line good?
Yeah, be careful, Dylan.
he got dirt on his feet.
Okay.
Maybe you can borrow this piece. No, this piece. The pole by itself.
Probably the same airplane.
Yeah, it's good enough.
Careful, Jordan. Look at that's enough, that's enough, that's enough.
You know we have real water in the bowl.
Uh-oh.
We got some bait. We got some gloves.
Hey, can you go put this in the trunk?
In the trunk?
Dad,
Where the
Dad,
drinks at? In the back.
Dad. Mine are wet. Dad, mine are wet. Yeah. Okay,
You opening? Dylan. You're not opening? What did you get dirty? You want to put your head up?
I think this is the one that why are you going to the water? Yeah, she did. Get her shoes. Get her shoe all wet. She got her pants wet. Everything's wet. Her pants wet too. Crazy girl. Huh? Well, this one already had the float on.
Don't go. Dylan, what are you doing?
Huh?
You're not washing him? Okay, go ahead. But don't let him go in the water. Hey, Ron, don't go in the water. Don't know why you went in the water. Logan, why you throw so far?
Why?
For what? What are you doing?
Have to get a fish in the middle.
The fish is on the edge. It's not in the middle.
Why see no fish in the egg?
What you mean? What? I call your wife. I go in there and catch the fish pretty easy.
Stay above ground. Not below water.
Man, that look like a lot of fish in this thing, huh?
No.
Don't blow it! You like the one?
He likes the one. Look at this thing, Jordan. This thing's used for catching fish. I think. Look at this. Okay, let's lay it back for you.
I ain't got no line.
Hold on.
Ariana, why you keep on doing that? You gotta knock it over.
Yeah, you did that the first time.
Logan, your line's gonna get caught. Don't call. Oh, she did.
Oh, I think somebody's here.
Huh?
The people supposed to look at the cars here.
What are you gonna do about that?
Huh? Now we gotta let them see the car. Hey guys. We're down here. Let me let you have the key. It's actually a good place for kids. It's flat. It's not that like we took them to Bend River before, and